Okay, now we're good. All right, as we get ready to launch here, now I got Greg on film. That's what I was waiting for the whole time. Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, I got it. You go on the other side, or whatever you got to do. Get on it. 1, 3. Dan's down there giggling. All right, Daniel, here we come. All right, gentlemen, we are on day 7. Should be our last day, correct? So we have about 50 miles left to, what is it called again? We are 50 miles away from Clark Fork. We had found a wonderful place after the Grizzly climb, if you guys saw that. Pretty crazy. But we all made it through it pretty much unscathed, although I did lose a nice handsaw. So if someone goes up that way, they will find themselves a nice little treasure trove. So, and then our goal today after this, we will be headed to the border to Port Hill or Hole? Port Hill. And that'll be it. That'll be the end of our trip. 7 days to do the BDR. All right, folks, later. Wow, it's beautiful up here. You can see all these mountain tops over on this side. I don't want to see any power slides. No power slides, Dan. You got to take it out of your repertoire for this morning. Okay. Now back to the chunk. Nice little climb. Yes, we do. Bouncing all over the place. Hey, what do we got here? Clark Fork. Can we ride it on that or no? Yeah. Wow. Very nice. Alright, day 7. We got about 100 miles left to the Canadian border as we get into Clark Fork. That was Clark Fork. Actually a nice little town. And that, what was the name of that bakery? Clark Fork Bakery? All I know is that was outstanding. So if you come through Clark Fork, that is definitely a place to stop. All right. That's right. Moving on up, boys and girls. Here we go. Last section, number 9, all the way to the Canadian border. To Port Hill. All right. So Lightning Creek is out. The fires have taken over and blocked us from there, so now we got to do basically highway all the way up. Yeah, it's all right. Right. But that river, man, it's down. I can't believe how low the river is compared to some of the other ones we've seen throughout the state. Black bear right there. Yeah, dude, it's left. It went upside the mountain. I got it all on film. Bear. He was just, no, yeah, he was on all fours walking on the highway and then, or on the road, and then he saw me, and then he hightailed it, and then he just bolted straight up the side of the mountain. Gosh, that's so wild. Look at that river, just empty as can be. Bypass them, might as well look nice, right? Oh, look at the fires over there on the mountain. Look at it. See that? Burning up the mountains. Yeah, instead of going this way, we're going up. Oh, truck coming. Oh my God, look at this moose. Holy shit balls. Are you guys close to me? Slow down, slow down. This moose is giant. It's on the left-hand side here. How do you not see him? He's gonna turn around and frickin' maul me. I don't know. Greg, do not get close. You don't know where that might be a baby with a mama somewhere. You do not want to get mauled by a moose. No shit, Shirley. Yeah. See, I make things happen for you guys again. Look at that. I'm accommodating your trip desires. You get to see the wildlife. That was pretty cool. He was just out there like lumbering around. Stay to the left. Stay to the left. That is kind of cool, isn't it? Nice. This is a nice looking view into the valley there. Oh yeah. Section 9 is going to be in the books here, gentlemen. Port Hill, just on the other side, is Canada. Woo! Yep. Cool. Let's find the sign. Let's find the sign. Jake's Landing. See, there was food and stuff here. There is the, we gotta find a sign though for, that's the border right there. Let's make an illegal U-turn right in front of everybody. Where's the Port Hill sign? Oh, right here. Welcome to Port Hill, right here. It's right there. It's on the side of the building. Oh, by the portalets? I think it says wrong way though. Right in here.